Welcome to At Home with Music. You know, music goes beyond the classroom. It goes beyond the concert stage. It goes beyond the professional recordings. Music is life. Music pervades every area of our lives. You think about all the times that music is used in life. For example, we use music to celebrate. We celebrate birthdays. How many of you have ever heard this song? You can't get through your birthday without hearing it. You can't get through somebody else's birthday without hearing that very famous song. We also celebrate at a wedding. You might hear this. Or, of course, you might hear something like this. You know, the interesting thing I just found out is that in England, that's the song the bride comes into. And that's the song we use to send them out of the room here in America. I don't know why that is. We use music during times of lamenting. If you go to a funeral, you will hear music in the background that's going to set a mood of contemplation as you think about the life of the person who has just passed on. My father told me many years ago that when he finally passes away, he wants to hear a hymn. That's the hymn, Just a Closer Walk with Thee. That's what he would like to have played at his memorial service. And so we use music during these times of lamenting, these times of dealing with grief and loss. But we also use music for celebrating, for dancing. I've played at hundreds of wedding receptions in my career, and we always have to play this song. Yahoo! Well, anyway, that's a fun song to play. It's a song that just says celebration, celebrate good times. All right. And so we use songs like that for dancing. And of course, I played in a society band and we played for dancers. Kind of like what you'd see on the Lawrence Welk show, which that's one of my favorite shows. I'll talk more about Lawrence Welk some other time because he's an amazing figure. But anyway, music is used for dancing and movement and happy times. Music is also used in church for worship. That's the famous hymn, Holy, Holy, Holy. And so music is used in church for worship, and a lot of times the music is paired with texts that teach biblical truths. Many of the great hymns are basically doctrine set to music. Beautiful tunes, beautiful words that go a long way towards bringing forth that spirit of worship in church. Nowadays, the music is also more modern sounding. You've got worship bands, guitar players, drummers. Nonetheless, it's still music that is used in worship services. Music can also be used as a soothing device. You probably recognize that tune, and maybe you've used it to lull your child to sleep. Music can also be used to create a romantic mood. How many beautiful love songs are there out there? Music can also be used to drum up courage. Every branch of our armed forces has its own song. So if you happen to be in the Air Force, you might hear this song. And there's one for the Army, there's one for the Navy, there's one for the Marines. There's a great history of military service in my family. I had 5 uncles, my father's 5 older brothers, all served in World War II, and they all came home without a scratch. An amazing, amazing story. My dad was just a little bit too young to serve in World War II, but he did serve in the Coast Guard in the 1950s. Music is used to commemorate a special event. We've already talked about weddings, but how about this particular piece of music? If you've ever seen anybody graduate, you know that's pomp and circumstance. Music is also used to unite a community. Why do you think we have a national anthem? Every country has its own national anthem, and some of them are pretty interesting sounding. That might be a subject for study in a future video. Every society is aware of the power of music. And so my challenge to you in this particular video is try to become more aware of how music pervades every area of life. You're going to hear music everywhere you go. You can't get away from it. Think about all these different areas in which music is a big part, and think what life would be like without any of that. It would be a lot less colorful, a lot less celebratory, a lot less joyful. There would be a big hole. But that's the hole that music fills in our life every single day. So I hope this has been inspiring to you. Just be sure that you start listening for music everywhere that you go. And later on, we're going to talk about not only do we want to be listening to music, we want to be making music as well. And I'll talk about why that is so important. Thanks again for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. That helps the channel a lot, and I look forward to talking to you in the next one.